Merry Christmas 2025.
Merry Christmas, all.
So we did something fun this year.
We did.
So we have a friend that she was selling boxes, mystery boxes, on Facebook Marketplace.
Yes.
It is a $25 box,
Yes.
but the value, she said, is about $50 in each box.
Yes.
And we're doing a mystery Christmas.
Yes.
So as one of our gifts, we bought a mystery box. So thank you, Becca. So we got two. I got one for Todd. Todd bought one for me.
Uh-huh.
And Becca put it together.
Yes.
So let's see. We have no idea.
Yeah.
Neither one of us have any idea what's inside.
No, this is going to be cool.
Yeah, so let's see.
Santa came, and we don't even know what it is.
We really had
Literally don't
Santa.
have the slightest clue.
We really had Santa come. All right, go ahead.
Okay. Apparently this is a new hair design piece.
The cats were like trying to play with it.
Yes.
They were. Yeah, there you go.
All right. Let's open this up. An Amazon box. Yay!
Yay, Amazon! No, kidding. All right, Becca, I hope you did good. Let's see what we get. I don't know where the scissors went.
I'll put them back over here.
Oh.
I may have. I don't know. There we go. All right, let's see what's inside.
Let's see. Todd's going to do his mystery box first.
Hold this down here.
Whoa! Everything.
that way.
Okay. Let's see. What did you get? Ooh!
Now this is some cool stuff in here.
Okay, let's see.
These look like pajamas.
Crew neck top and legging set.
I
Okay.
think this is a your kind of box.
You're opening my box.
Well, we didn't know. We had no clue. as to
Okay,
who was who.
you're opening mine. This box is for me. Is
Okay,
it
but
is it
still.
my size?
Could be. Yes, large.
Yes. Okay, cool. Okay, you're opening my box.
We
Sorry.
didn't know.
Sorry, Becca.
But hey, look at this.
Look at those. Oh,
are cool.
juicy. And
Those
they're
are
my
cool.
and there's my size shoes. Okay.
Now we have this. This is cool.
Oh, look at that. I love that.
I love that. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, what else we got in here? Oh, look at this.
What is it? Oh, stickers for Christmas.
Yeah,
Yes.
cool.
Okay, love that.
Um,
I guess I'm going to open your box then.
you are going to open my box up then.
Okay.
I have no idea what this is.
I don't know. Open it up. Oh my gosh, Becca, you did so good.
There's just so much cool stuff in here.
How is this $50 worth of stuff? Ooh, a diffuser.
Diffuser of wallflowers.
Ooh, okay.
That's
I love
nice.
those. Yeah. Put that in the bathroom. I love those.
Let's put that back in the bag.
Probably the other thing in paper is probably the stand.
No, there's something else.
Nope. Oh, okay.
Okay, you have a
Oh, a gnome blanket.
little blanket.
All right, perfect.
By 60 blanket.
I love
wow,
it.
Look at that.
I have
Yeah.
no idea.
I got socks.
Oh, you got some. Okay.
You got socks.
Oh, actually, I actually like those sports socks. Are they like little crew ones? Oh, look at that! Coco nuts about you. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got some really cool stuff in here, baby.
Actually, it might just be
You got
a mix. Oh, a hat. Oh, I might wear that today.
a nice Santa hat,
Oh, I like that. I'm gonna wear that today. It's sparkly.
but there's two.
Oh, so you can wear one and I'll wear one. Man, this is so cool, Becca. Slay all day. Slay. Oh. Oh, it's from Victoria's Secret. Girl.
What is the secret?
I don't know.
Maybe she's
It's a
guy.
secret.
Now, got more things in here.
More. Santa, please stop here. Oh, yes.
Santa did stop here.
Santa did stop here. Thank you.
One more.
Becca, this is freaking great. Oh my God! Cheaters will be dealt with. That is hanging up down here in the basement.
Yeah. This is
That
the D&D room.
that is going to be hung up in the basement. And that is for you, Todd.
That's a good one.
You cheating on the games. Oh my gosh, so that's just one box.
That's one box.
Oh my gosh. That is so
cool.
great.
Awesome stuff.
Becca, that is so cool. Oh my goodness. Okay.
I gotta put it all back in the, I don't think I can put it back in the box.
You know what? I'm just gonna stay here and I'm gonna have you open the other one.
Okay.
Yeah.
You do the running commentary.
Okay. I'm so excited. Actually, I love that Lucky brand. I love the feel of those clothes.
Yeah, they're nice and soft.
We
They
actually
really are.
just got them for Mom and Karina.
I think this is everything.
Oh my gosh. That was a fantastic. I can't believe you did that box for $25.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's not. There's no way that box is $25.
Well, apparently she's a good shopper.
Well, I don't know. Juicy Couture, Victoria's Secret. I don't know. All right, can you grab the other box? This one's heavy too. All right, this one might be.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Let me move this over. Oh. Wow, that's heavy. Okay.
Okay, we have the other earring here first off.
Okay, there you go. Becca, we're doing the next one.
Okay.
This is actually amazing. Becca might be our new tradition. I might have you do our boxes all the time. So we met Becca. She was selling on Facebook Marketplace, and we met her, and she has such great things.
She does.
And we've bought so many things from her, and we've actually became friends.
Yes.
And when she put this on, I thought to myself, oh my gosh, yeah, this is what I want.
Don't mind me, I'm just getting Tippy off the couch because this is Tippy's spot right here. All right.
Okay.
Let's see what we got here.
All right, let's go.
I can put them back here.
And you throw it.
I'm throwing stuff around.
You're throwing scissors. What are you doing?
I'm not running with them, at least.
You're not running with them. Yeah, that's true.
Oh, I probably should.
I love these Juicy Couture slippers. These are really cool. They're so soft, too. Oh, my gosh.
Okay, here we go.
I love this.
I got it figured out now. Maybe.
And it's my size, which is perfect.
All right, let's see what's in our box.
How did she know it was my size? Oh, my gosh.
Yes.
Oh, my gosh.
is cool.
Penelope, she can wear a Santa suit. Happiness is homemade. Yes. Look at that. Penelope, you're going to wear that today. Oh, my gosh.
That's cool. Look at this. I like this little Christmas towel.
Oh, yeah. Wait, is that stickers too? Oh, it's stickers too on top. Oh, look at that. Home sweet home. Oh, it's embroidered. That's
Yeah,
pretty.
yeah.
Actually, that's pretty.
That's pretty cool.
Okay.
Now we
Here
got
we go.
some sort of
Oh, hand warmers. We're going to need them.
Yes, we are.
Because in April, it's a little chilly.
Now we got paper straws.
Ooh,
Now,
Christmas.
This is antique now. Pier
Oh,
one.
Pier 1.
Pier 1.
That's true. It's vintage.
Vintage.
Vintage. Not antique yet, but vintage.
Marion Bright.
I am going to scream. It is a bog bag.
Now this.
How is it a bog bag? Oh my god. Oh, look at that. That's pretty.
That's cool.
Oh my god. I'm going to scream. That's a bog bag.
Apparently I have to pull this out next.
Oh my god.
Because, no, I'm not going to. I'm going to pull this out next.
Oh my god.
That's
a nutcracker for you.
That's cool.
How did she know that you collect nutcrackers?
She said she went through our Facebook pages.
Oh, that's right. She did. She said she went for our Facebook.
Now that's cool.
Oh my gosh, nutcracker.
Cool.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. A bog. Watch, there's stuff in
And there's
it.
stuff inside.
Oh my gosh, a bog bag.
A bog bag. I don't know what a bog bag is, but we got one.
I love this bag.
Got
What is that?
a towel, I think, isn't it?
32 degrees. I don't know. Open it up.
Cool heat. Oh.
What is it? A scarf? It's a scarf.
Scarf.
And it's a 30. Oh, look at you, baby.
It'd be like Fred
There you go.
wearing the ascot.
Ascot.
That's cool.
This is what I'm excited for.
I know you.
This. You know, I've been trying to get them at Aldi's when they come through, and I've never been able to get one. I love this bag. Oh my God. Thank you
Okay.
so much. This is my new beach bag.
Now,
I love it.
there's a tie in here because it says
Fragile.
I do believe it was this here.
Ooh, I smell. What is it? I can't see.
Nice looking.
Shared woods.
Tonka bean firewood pumpkin.
Whoa.
Oh,
Oh,
that's kind of nice and subtle.
oh, I can smell it from here. That's nice.
I may be staying down here.
Huh?
I may be staying down here.
Oh, that's staying in your room? Okay. That's fine.
Yeah, this
I can't take all of it, I guess.
whiskey and coffee shower gel.
There you go. You'll smell like whiskey and coffee.
Should I stagger around in the mornings then?
There you go.
Now this here also says Fragile, so that's the package.
Oh, Fragile. Oh my God. I love her so much.
And yes, we did watch the show.
Yes.
Watched it
Twice.
last night. I didn't watch it twice yet.
Well,
I'll watch it later on.
you were trying to watch it twice. Okay.
Renee's not a big fan as much as I am.
I'm fine with seeing it once a year. Ooh, what do we got?
Hazelnuts.
Hazelnut liqueur.
Liqueur.
Yeah, okay. I love that she writes Fragile on it. She's so fun.
And another little one here, which is
I actually love all these gifts. I haven't, not loved anything yet.
salted caramel.
Ooh, that's the one I want. Salted caramel. My favorite. You can pour that over ice cream.
Now. Oh,
Swiss Miss hot chocolates! Okay.
fine.
That's yours. Yes, I know.
And
We actually just talked about that today, that we're going to
mugs.
come down here and watch Christmas movies tonight. Glee! I think that's a Ray Dunn, too, actually. There's no way this was $25.
and Glee. Nice.
It is, I think it's Ray, is it Ray Dunn? Underneath? Is it Ray Dunn?
Yeah. That's not.
No? Oh, okay.
But still.
Oh my God, it looks like a
Awesome.
Ray Dunn. Well, it's been a shipping day.
Yeah, we did a lot of shipping in the last month.
Yeah.
I'm down here 3-4 times a week shipping.
Oh my gosh. Well, Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
And I think this is going to be our new
I
tradition,
like the tradition. It's cool.
mystery box.
Yes.
What a win.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. Thank you so
And
much.
thank you very much, Becca. And Merry Christmas to all and to all. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.